Hello guys, what's up? What's up? How was your weekend? I hope you had a great one. Ready to face the market this week? In this video, what we're going to be talking about are some currency pairs, some indices, and obviously commodities. Starting off with JPY that's right in front of us. You can see the prices. I sent this last week in the free VIP, in the free group, in the free Telegram group, anticipating to see prices break above here, push all the way until up here. Now, prices already started that move. This was our impulse move. You can see right now it retraced, and now it's looking to, continue with its journey. So that's what I'm anticipating for JPY for this coming week, is for it to be very bullish. Obviously, until around somewhere here. This is the next stop for JPY. So obviously, if you're trading against JPY, you should be selling that, just like the trade that we took on EURJPY. I sent this again in the free Telegram group. So this trade we took last week, that's right now floating at around 200 pips, over 200 pips. And then, I sent another adding signal right here today in the free Telegram group, and it's right now floating at around 32 pips. So if you're not in the free Telegram group, guys, you're missing out. The link is in the description below. Let's move on to another pair. We have Gbpjpy here. Now, this was my concern. Like on Gbpjpy 15 minutes here, I was actually looking at it. Prices have broken out of this range, right? But with this bearish momentum, like, will it give us a retest here for us to look for entries? I'm not sure, because, with this momentum, we might see prices, push all the way until they reach down here. Excuse me. We might see a continuation until prices reach here. But prices in the last 15 just closed with the doji. So that's a good thing. I'll be looking for a retest at around here to get entries, So if you're on the charts today, be sure to look for this opportunity. It will be great. It will be great. If it comes back up here, we are looking at a 100 pip move, 110 pip move. So yeah, this is a great trade, guys. Be on the lookout for it. We do have JPY, we've already talked about it. So let's talk about the USD, the US dollar index. The US dollar index, as you can see, prices have broken below this structure here and then tried to push below here, but then failed. So right now, like, they're ranging in between here or something. You can see this is some kind of a range. If we move that to a lower time frame, you see this, it's sort of ranging right now. Now, my anticipation is, as you can see with this bullish momentum kicking in, my anticipation is if prices break above this trend and this market structure, then I'll be looking for prices to hit all the way until here. But if they reach this market structure and start, losing momentum, I'll be expecting to see prices reach here as my first target. And if prices do manage to break below that, this will be my final target, right, at around down here. So that's how I'm anticipating to see USD play out. Obviously, reading momentum will be one of the most important things in this trade. So I'm going to link a video actually somewhere above here, for you guys to look at it if you don't know how to read momentum on candles. We have Usdchf. Okay. Looking at it from a 4-hour perspective, you can see prices were in this downwards ranging channel. And now prices are in this market structure, which is a resistance after breaking above this trend, but prices haven't closed yet. So until prices close, until this candle closes, this, this break is not yet valid. So if prices do close above it and they break above this, market structure here, then we'll be looking for Usdchf long until somewhere up here. But mind you, it will be having a lot of resistances along the way. So we have this resistance here We have this resistance here, you know, and this one. Excuse me, and this one. So that's the trade that Usdchf is going to be looking at today, this week. We have EURJPY, Euro USD. Prices have just broken out of this trend, but again, prices have not yet closed, so it's not yet confirmed. But as of current, prices are also in a support area. So we might be looking for continuations here on the downside as the US, you know, the US going bullish will actually give us trades short on the euro, long on the Usdchf. And which brings us to our personal favorite. We're looking at NAS100. NAS100. Let's start with it from a daily perspective. You can see prices already broke out of this ending diagonal pattern. Now, its most recent market structure is over here. So a continuation will be proper, right? So now I'm anticipating to see prices give us a little bit of a retest here before they continue, because as you can see, the bulls really don't have any momentum. So I'll be anticipating to see prices look for that bullish momentum on this resistance here before they actually continue going higher. NAS100. Gold, as you can see, prices have just hit this resistance here, broke below this low, meaning they've broken the structure. And then here we have some sort of a retest. Let's go to the 1 hour. Some sort of a retest here. This one right here. If we place a Fibonacci with it, let's see if it will play out. 0.5, that's not it. 618, cool. You can see how it has aligned with the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement key level. So anticipating in 8 minutes, if this candle closes this way, I'm going to take this trade on gold. You can see it is just broken below that low trend. So this will be my anticipation. I'll be shorting gold from there. My stop loss will be here. My take profit will be somewhere here with a good 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So yeah, that's what I'm anticipating to see play out on gold. So guys, that's all for today. Till next time, guys, if this video has been of help to you, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I release content in the future. Till next time, guys, this was Laurent. Peace and love.